house that was built in 75, I believe it was. They were aluminum window with a storm window over the outside of those. So it was almost impossible to clean and really about impossible to open anymore. They transferred heat and cold pretty bad with them. Originally it was sister-in-law had hers done just over a block west of here. I think a guy come by and left us a brochure one day. Put in all new windows, retrimmed those. They were real good. They did real good work, kept everything clean. They were in and out in not quite a day. Well, the noise probably we could tell a little difference in that. Just being able to, see out of the things a lot better has been nice. And then, of course, I had to wash them all to start with, and that was pretty easy to do. Yeah, the neighbors have noticed. They just thought it looked nice, looked a lot better than it did. Yeah, I'd say, if you're looking to do something, it's definitely a good price, I thought, and they done real good work, and they were in and out.